to another one of my videos, guys. Today we are going to be doing a room remodelation, reincarnation, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it, but we are going to be doing a room makeover. I'm getting rid of my whole old set and I'm just bringing in new. I already finished painting last night. I painted the whole room. It took me like 4 hours. Me and my girlfriend, I'm waiting for her right now. We're gonna head over to IKEA and we're gonna get all the furniture we need. I already did all the planning and stuff. I'm excited. I already measured everything, so I know exactly what I want and I know exactly how everything's gonna end up looking. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, we literally got the last bed. I think this will fit in your car.
Yes.
Yeah, I hope so too. Alright, so we got the first one, the bed. So we literally got the last bed and it said it was out of stock online and we came, the guy helped us out and we got the last bed. It's gonna be fun building all of this.
Which one are we looking for now? The closet? L28 and 33. Come on. That is not gonna fit in my car. You think it's not gonna fit in my car?
I hope so. Just one? Oh, it's 3 of them.
It's 3.
Oh my god, this is a lot. What's next? That's next. Yeah, all 28, 49.
Oh, it's the same amount. Right over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 40. You grab this one.
How many pieces? 1? Alright guys, it's a lot of shit. We got a heavy ass cart full of things. Are you gonna help me?
Yeah, I have time. I did so much work.
Yeah, you did all the work. Extremely all the work. She didn't do nothing. She didn't carry nothing at all.
I was carrying the camera.
Hopefully nothing in there is broken because my brother's bed came broken. Alright guys, so we just got home and we just finished unloading. We did some like crazy tie down thing right here. And it was kind of, we had to go like under. We couldn't go on the highway because like we had to go extremely slow. It wasn't even tied up and the trunk wasn't even closed all the way. It was like halfway. So yeah, it's a lot of boxes. 9 to 10 boxes. We're eating pizza. Check this out. Homemade. You like it? Alright guys, so this is my room. I just finished painting today. This is my old bed, which is it's not bad at all. So yeah, I'm gonna start picking this up to get the new stuff in and just keep moving. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with the bed right here. I got the little thing right there. It's full of gear and stuff because I have to get it fixed. And this is the bed right here. Finishing up the cabinets. That right there is full of trash. Not trash, but gear and stuff. I have to sort out and mix. And then right here, this is the bed right here. It's kind of echoey in here because it's so empty. Here opening up the 3rd box and we're pretty much gonna be done soon. We have a bunch. As you guys can see, there's a huge mess in the living room because of me. And this is the last piece right here. Here's my fish tank. I need to move in. I don't know where I'm gonna set it in yet, but we'll see. And this is the room right here. The bed, the stand, I need to clean that up like I told you guys. And then that one is gonna go right here. And yeah, we're gonna build it. And I'm planning on getting a desk for right there. We just finished, as you guys can see right here. Here's the bed, other furniture.
Yeah, I did all the work.
You weren't even here. Oh, you weren't even here for the video. You did no work. I did all this by myself. I did all the things.
I was at work.
Anyways, right here we got this little drawers, a hanger. I need to find a place for this guy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Last night I literally spent the whole night last night, guys, building furniture, and I was up until like 5 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This is it. Well, this is like 85% completed. See, all right, you ready? So when you come in, right here we have the bed, first off to the side. The only reason why I'm using the bed out is because it's supposed to go in, but my mattress is just big and I'm not gonna change my mattress because I really like it. Over here on the left side, guys, I have this little thing right here with drawers, or not drawers, but like these things where I put all my gear and stuff. And I'm actually thinking on getting one more and putting it right next to it. I'm using it to measure to see if it fits so that I can fit all that extra gear I have on there. And here is my desk. This right here, guys, this is pretty much the 2 legs, the desk. I think this is like the 47-inch one. And then this is the little Alex drawer. That's a little Alex drawer. And then I have over here this little closet. I know it's open, but I like it. I got more shoes down there, more stuff. And I just have to fix this. And then they have a mirror and it has drawers. But anyways, I'm still not done with the room. I still need to get one more drawer for here, and I need to do a lot of cable managing, you know. I have to fix all of that down there, and get some extension cords and some tie wraps so I can just make everything nice and smooth. And I also got this light, super cheap, $4, and my Alexa fits in there perfect. I don't know if that's meant to be like that, but yeah. Alexa, desktop light on. Boom, there you guys go. Alexa, set the lights to blue. Oh, by the way, this chair is also from IKEA. Alright, anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description. Feel free to comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget, please subscribe. Take care, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!